In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your DeepSeek AI account. So what you want to do is once inside DeepSeek, you want to go down here bottom left where it says My Profile, and then you want to click on Settings. In here, you want to switch from General to Profile, and in here where it says Delete Account, you want to click Delete. And then, as you can see, it says Delete Account. Deletion will prevent you from accessing DeepSeek services, including DeepSeek Chat and Platform. If there is any unused balance in your account, deletion will be considered as forfeiting the balance. Re-registration will not grant any free tokens. If you have any questions, you can contact them. And then it says, are you sure you want to delete your account? To verify, please type delete my account below. So if you want to delete, just type in delete my account like this. And once you do this, press confirm delete my account, and just like this, your account will be deleted. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.